All right, hey, what's up? It's Mr. G. Just going to give you a couple highlights from this week. All right, as you can see here at the school, we're building an off-grid trailer. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but we're making a lot of progress. That's Mr. Her working with the students to pull together kind of like a tiny home. It's modular. You put up the walls, and we are installing a solar panel array on the top. This is our Victron system. It's like a DC system that converts the battery and the solar into AC. We're actually going to have like an AC panel in there as well. So stay tuned for more. It'll be on the YouTube channel, also on the Instagram. Don't forget Mr. G's workshop. If you're in New Jersey, I have classes on welding, and all you got to do is scroll down, check for the date, and we got one coming up on April 14th on a Sunday. This is kind of like the class that I wish I had when I first started welding. It's 4 hours crash course. By the end of the class, you put two pieces together and you put it in a vise, smash it with a hammer, and then you'll see it bend over instead of break.
What else you got this week, Mr. G?
So every Tuesday, we go live, and as you can see here, we interview and talk with people that are doing electric conversions. In this case, last week it was Sarah Lyons. She's working on a Suzuki, and she's already taken the motor out. She's putting her electric motor in. It's pretty awesome, all the stuff they're doing. And this week's guest is pretty exciting. I ran into Anthony from New York State Solar Farm, and they install solar panels, and they're going to talk to us about the new Powerwall version 3. Pretty cool. Also, every Wednesday on the Shop Class podcast, we interview someone who would basically owe some of their early career into having high school auto and metal shop and wood shop. And so we talked about their journey from, let's say, the high school shop up until what they're doing now. Pretty cool. And then, as always, you could always check out the latest going on the Instagram. All right, cool, Mr. G, and I'll see you next week.